sisig. Ang sarap! Come and follow me as I show you step by step kung paano magluto ng chicken sisig. This is for you all, for your family, and for your loved ones, and for everyone. It's me again, Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and welcome to my channel! So what do we have today? Today, I will show you my own version of Pinoy chicken sisig. Yes! Alright, there are a few friends who requested for this video and friends who want their name to be shout out. Special shout out to my new friend on YouTube, Kimi FZ. Hi Kimi, thank you so much. A special shout out to my sister and her family in Nova Scotia, Canada. My sister Anafe Baskog and Kit Baskog with son NJ and Kiana. Hi, hello. And of course my friend Mitos Crossley with husband Queen Crossley. Thank you so much. They're all in Canada. And of course I would like to greet my cousins in Davao, Nilda Sibiliano, Joyax Horidico, Edwin Kitchon, Janet Feliciano, Agnes Yo, Marvin Tibar, James Tibar, and to all my cousins in Davao City. Special birthday greetings to Ama Orlando B. Magno. Ama, happy birthday. And of course to Lauro, thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you will like this. Mwah! Hi guys, it's me again, Chris. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guide. And I hope to see you again next time. Thank you so much guys for trusting me and for believing in me and for subscribing my channel. At kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa aking channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos. Alright, I'll see you there. And please do not forget to like, comment, and share. The world is being challenged and we are struggling. But the world is healing now. So I hope that you will take part of this healing process. Alright? Always keep safe wherever you are right now. And always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Alright? I'll see you again next time. I'll see you. Bye! Bye! Bye-bye!